लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે ન્યૂટન ફોરવર્ડ મેથડ કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલી હતી. નાઉ ટાઈપ 2 ન્યૂટન બેકવર્ડ મેથડ. સૌથી પહેલા તો ન્યૂટન બેકવર્ડ મેથડ ક્યારે યુઝ થશે? when to use this method? first, class interval are same. એટલે કે ક્લાસ ઇન્ટરવલ સેમ આપેલા હોય ત્યારે જ ન્યૂટન ફોરવર્ડ બેકવર્ડ મેથડ યુઝ થઈ શકે. સેકન્ડ, interpolated value is at the end of the series. જ્યારે જે સિરીઝ આપી છે એ સિરીઝના એન્ડમાં એટલે કે લાસ્ટ ક્લાસ ઇન્ટરવલ વચ્ચેની કોઈ વેલ્યુ ઇન્ટરપ્રિટેટ કરવાની હોય, ઇન્ટરપોલેટ કરવાની હોય ત્યારે આપણે ન્યૂટન બેકવર્ડ મેથડનો યુઝ કરશું. ન્યૂટન બેકવર્ડ મેથડ સેમ ન્યૂટન ફોરવર્ડ મેથડની ડાયરેક્ટ ઓપોઝિટ છે. જેમ આપણે ફોરવર્ડ મેથડમાં આપણે ઉપરથી આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરતા હતા, બેકવર્ડ મેથડમાં નીચેથી ફાઇન્ડ થશે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીં આપેલું છે આપણે x1, x2, x3 and x4, y1, y2, y3, y4, x0, y0. Here this is our y0. Next, change in y0. Next, delta square in y0. Next, delta cube in y0. Next, delta raised to 4 y0. Same જેમ આપણે ફોરવર્ડ મેથડમાં ઉપરથી ફાઇન્ડ કરતા હતા એવી જ રીતે બેકવર્ડ મેથડમાં નીચેથી ફાઇન્ડ થશે. z is equal to x minus x0 divided by h. What is x? So x means the value of x which is interpolated minus x0. x0 means last minus જે આપેલા છે એ, divided by h. h means class interval. Now equation of yx. yx is equal to y0 plus z delta y0, z minus 1 divided by 2 delta square y0, z minus 1, z minus 2 delta cube y0 divided by 6, z minus 1, z minus 2, z minus 3 delta raised to 4 y0 divided by 4 factorial. This is the equation of interpolation. Now first example of our type, example number 1. Apply Newton backward formula for finding out number of students who obtain marks 36 or more but less than 40. Here the marks are given less than 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Here you can see that the difference of class interval are same and we have to find out marks less than 36. This is between last interval. So here Newton backward method is applicable. Now 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. This is x0. Now 20, 45, 115, 210, 225. This is y0. 225 minus 210, that is 15. Next 210 minus 115, that is 95. Next 115 minus 45, that is 70. (45 minus 20), that is 21. Okay, this is delta u0. Next 15 minus 95 minus 80, 95 minus 70, that is 25, 70 minus 25, that is 45. So minus 80, this is delta square u0. 80 minus 25, 55. 25 minus 45 minus 20, this is delta cube u0, y0, sorry. 55 minus 20 minus, that is 75, delta raised to 4 y0. Here our all the values. Now we have to find out z. Z is equal to x 36 minus 40 divided by h. H means class interval 5. 36 minus 40 divided by 5, that is minus 0.8. This is our z. Now we have to find out ux, yx. Yx is equal to y0 plus z delta y0 plus z minus 1 divided by 2 factorial multiplied by delta square y0 plus z minus 1 z minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y0 z minus 1 z minus 2 z minus 3 divided by 4 factorial delta raised to 4 y0. Okay, first y0, that is 225, z minus 0.8, delta y0, that is minus 15 plus minus 0.8 minus 0.8 minus 1 divided by 2 delta square y0, that is minus 80, z minus 0.8 minus 0.8 minus 1 minus 0.8 minus 2 delta cube u0, that is 55 divided by 6 plus minus 0.8 minus 0.8 minus 1 minus 0.8 minus 2 minus 0.8 minus 3 divided by 24 multiplied by delta raised to 4 u0, that is 75. to 5 0.8 minus multiplied by 15, that is minus 12 plus minus 0.8 minus 1.8 minus 80 divided by 2 plus minus 0.8 minus 1.8 minus 2.8 multiplied by 55 divided by 6 plus minus 0.8 minus 1.8 minus 2.8 minus 3.8 multiplied by 75 divided by 24. 225 minus 12 0.8 minus multiplied by 1.8 minus multiplied by 80 minus divided by 2, that is minus 57.6. 0.8 minus multiplied by 1.8 minus multiplied by 2.8 minus multiplied by 55 divided by 6, minus 36.96. 0.8 minus multiplied by 1.8 minus multiplied by 2.8 minus multiplied by 3.8 minus multiplied by 75 divided by 24, that is 47.88 plus 225 minus 12 minus 57.6 minus 36.96, that is 166.32, 166.32. 225 minus 12 is 6.4, 3.36.2. Here 225 minus 12, 0.8 multiplied by 1.8 multiplied by 80 divided by 2 is 57.56. 0.8 multiplied by 1.8, this is plus 1, minus 1. 0.8 yes, all are plus, not minus. Here plus, 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 plus. Okay. So 0.8, this is plus 1. This is plus 1. This is plus 2. This is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Okay. So here 0.8, 0.8 plus 1, that is 0.2. 0.2, 1.2. Here 0.8, 1.2, sorry, 0.2, 1.2, 2.2. 3 minus 0.8, that is 2.2. Okay, now simplify it. Plus minus 12, 0.8 minus multiplied by 2 multiplied by 80 minus divided by 2, that is 6.4 plus 0.8 minus multiplied by 0.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 55 divided by 6, that is minus 1.6. Sorry, 0.8 multiplied by 0.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 105, this is 105. This is 85. Okay. 0.8 minus 0.2, 1.2, 105 minus divided by 6, that is 3.36. 0.8 minus multiplied by 0.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 2.2 multiplied by 85 minus, that is 1.495. 496. So 225 minus 12 plus 6.4 plus 3.36 plus 4.196, that is 224.256. 225 minus 80 minus 105, 80 minus 25, this is minus 105. minus 105 minus 20, this is minus 85. Here in equation also there is plus. Z plus 1, Z plus 1, Z plus 2, Z plus 1, Z plus 2, Z plus 3. So here our Newton backward method is completed. Now next method, type 3, binomial expansion method. First of all, binomial expansion method, delta u0 is equal to 0, delta raised to n, u0 is equal to 0. So delta is equal to e minus 1. E minus 1 raised to n, u0 is equal to 0. So e raised to n minus nc1 e raised to n minus 1 plus nc2 e raised to n minus 2 minus nc3 e raised to n minus 3, last માં plus or minus u0 is equal to 0. If delta raised to 4 u0 is given, then u4, 4u3, 6u2, 4u1 plus u0 is equal to 0. Delta raised to 5u0 is given, then u5 minus 5u4 plus 10u3 minus 10u2 plus 5u1 minus u0 is equal to 0. So remember these two. Now next, example number 1 of binomial. Interpolate the missing value in the following table. Here and cells are given. So first of all, u0, here x ux, 1968, 69, 70, 71, 72. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 148, 157, find out 181, 202. This is u0, u1, u2, u3 and u4. We have to find out u2. Here the maximum value is 4. So delta raised to 4 u0 is given is equal to 0. E minus 1 raised to 4 u0 is equal to 0. E raised to 4 minus 4e cube plus 6e square minus 4e plus 1 multiplied by u0 is equal to 0. u0 અંદર multiply થશે, u0 multiplied by e4, that is u4 minus 4u3 plus 6u2, 4u1 and u0 is equal to 0. u4 202 minus 4 u3 181, u2 આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે 6u2, 4u1 157, u0 148 is equal to 0. 202, 4 multiplied by 181, that is 724 plus 6u2 આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. 4 multiplied by 157, 4 multiplied by 157, 628 plus 148 is equal to 0. So 202, 6u2 આ સાઈડ રહેશે, બાકીનું બધું સામેની સાઈડ જશે. 724 માઇનસ છે પ્લસ થઈ જશે. 628 માઇનસ છે પ્લસ થઈ જશે. 148 પ્લસ છે માઇનસ થઈ જશે. 202 પ્લસ છે માઇનસ થઈ જશે. 62u 724 plus 628 plus 148, sorry, 724 plus 628 minus 148 minus 202, that is 1002 divided by 6, it is 167. u2 is equal to 167. So cells of 1972 is 167. This is your answer. Next sum will start in our next example. Thank you.